Hey guys, welcome back again to Dave's Dimension. Welcome back again for another video. Welcome back again to the channel that is your home for tech, toys, and talk. And of course, the channel where chaos and insanity will always reign supreme. So we're back again for another video. This time around, we want to do an announcement for Stream for the Cure. Now, if you're familiar with Dave's Dimension, every year I like to do a fundraiser to benefit Ride for Roswell and Roswell Park Comprehensive Cancer Institute. Stream for the Cure is usually an extended live stream that I do to help fundraise for Roswell Park Comprehensive Cancer Institute here in Buffalo, New York area. Now, the Ride for Roswell is the annual bike riding fundraiser that I actually participate in. We've done the 40-mile Canadian route before, or technically 44-mile Canadian route. We've done the 35-mile, the 30-mile, the 10 and the 20-mile routes through previous years. Now, Roswell Park, they are one of the leading cancer research facilities in the United States. Every year they're raising money to develop new avenues of research and new treatments, new vaccines, new medicines to help battle cancer. And they don't just help adults. They help kids, they help children, they help seniors, they help people with any form of cancer you can think of, whether it's lung cancer, kidney, any kind of cancer, they pretty much tackle it. When my mother was alive, she would go to Roswell Park periodically for treatments with her skin cancer. Okay? Cancer affects many things that you can't even imagine. And it affects people in physical and also in psychological ways. Okay? Cancer isn't just a physical illness, it affects you mentally. I mean, I've never had cancer and I hope I never do, but I've seen how it can affect people physically, it can affect them mentally, socially. My mother had a form of skin cancer and she never liked how she looked because of it. So when she passed, we didn't have a whole lot of photos of her, okay? Cancer can have that kind of effect on a person that they don't feel like they're the same person anymore. They don't want photos of how they appear because they take it in such a negative way. And, a situation like that, we didn't have many photos of her after she passed. She passed not because of cancer, for other health reasons. I mean, my father had cancer. My wife's family has lost a lot of people due to cancer, okay? Cancer doesn't care. It can strike your neighbor, your best friend, your family's relatives. It just doesn't care. So it's up to us to step up and do the caring. We need to step up and make a difference. And that's why my wife has been doing the Ride for Roswell for so many years. And now I joined her. I've been doing it for, I think this is year 6. And the thing is, we need to step up. Everyone has their own way of raising money. My wife will, she gets donations from different friends and family, but she also will, she takes like a little looks like a plastic clear piggy bank that has Ride for Roswell printed on it, and she takes it to her bowling league every week so people can donate loose change, donate dollar bills. Every time she finds a penny or a nickel on the ground, guess what? That's what she calls her pennies from heaven. For me, the best way that I can make a difference is with this YouTube channel. I mean, hell, last year, thanks to you crazy maniacs, we raised over $1,500. And a lot of that came at the 11th hour. You guys came in clutch. You punched a hole in the universe to make a world of a difference. I have to first and foremost always shout out to one of my best friends, Dre the Collector Safe Space. He's my brother. He helps me every year organize everything. Also, that damn camera. Come on, camera. There we go. My camera has a motion sensor thing. It's a weird thing. Dre the Collector Safe Space, of course. We had Oz in the Clubhouse come through. We had Mega J Retro, Dave Wonder, and so many others. Just, you guys were tremendous coming in at the 11th hour and pushing it over and over. You guys made a world of a difference, and I can't thank you guys. I was blown away by that. Last year we did we aimed for 24 hours. We technically went over 25 hours, believe it or not. So much thanks to you guys. Thank you to Allison, the Retro Toy Princess, who came on stream with me, Andre. We had so many people come through. Big thanks to Oakhurst Studios and the Toy Duo crew. Big thanks to the Monkey Lizard Army who came through. 1000th Ghost and so many others. Colby Games for helping to share and put the link out there on social media. So many people helped us out tremendously, and I'm hoping you guys are going to help us out again this year. This video is to announce that yes, again, we will be doing Stream for the Cure. We have not narrowed down a specific date, but I'm going to be aiming for the end of April. Excuse me, the end of April or possibly early May. So as always, that's kind of the time frame that we're kind of aiming for. What I am asking for is if anyone wants to donate any prizes to give away. I am asking anyone who wants to donate their time and come and co-host the stream with me. We are looking for people to collaborate with the stream on any level that you feel comfortable doing so. Okay, we are going to be doing some mystery boxes. And some of those mystery boxes may be 3D printed themes, and I'll get into more details on a later video. But as always, guys, if you're going to donate and help support this charity, Roswell Park, and the Ride for Roswell, as always, full clarity. When you click the link that I will be supplying at a later date, that link is a direct donation page for Roswell Park and Ride for Roswell. We don't handle any monies here. You're going directly to the source and you're punching and you're making a donation right there, guys. Okay. As always, I think we were doing it where a certain dollar donation equaled a name slot on the prize wheels, but not just one prize wheel. When you donate and you get one name slot, it's on all the prize wheels. Okay. So we're going to be opening again. It's going to be an open house. Anybody and everyone who wants to come on, you can come on and promote your channels. Whether you're on Twitch, Kick, TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, whatever platforms you are content creating on, this is going to be an open house for you to come in, promote your channels, promote your content, and help raise some money for Roswell Park and to help stream for a cure, to help beat cancer and help others out there, be able to say, yes, you have beaten cancer, or yes, you will fight cancer. Because there are people who some have lost their battles with cancer. Some have come back and fought back multiple times. Okay. And that's what this is about. This is about making a difference. Every nickel, every dollar, every dime makes a world of difference, guys. And so have you for the past several years. And I'm hoping this year you're going to help me make another difference. Let's punch another hole in the universe and let's stream for a cure, guys. But guys, if you want to participate, if you want to help out with the stream this year, all you have to do is message me on Instagram at Daves_Dimension or email me at davesdimension78@gmail.com. Again, that is davesdimension78@gmail.com, or message me on IG on Instagram at Daves_Dimension. The links are going to be in the video description below. But guys, that's what we're asking for. We're asking for some help to make a world of difference. Let's stream for a cure. Let's have an awesome, amazing time. This year, I think I'm not going to be aiming for 24 hours. I think I'm going to be aiming for probably between 12 to 16 hours. And I want you guys to come along for the ride. Let's have an awesome time. Let's make a world of difference. And guys, you know what I'm going to say. I say it every single time. Keep on busting. And I'm always going to catch you on the flip side. Take care, guys.